Meaning of distraught.
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 Distraught. Distraught means extremely upset, agitated, or deeply troubled. It is a state of being overwhelmed with emotions such as grief, anxiety, panic, or despair that make it difficult to think and behave normally. In this state, a person might feel confused, restless, helpless, or even physically ill. Distraught individuals can become irrational or unpredictable in their actions, leading to negative consequences for themselves and others around them. Overall, distraught describes a very distressed emotional state that requires immediate attention and support.